Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Ma'am, today I have submitted the homework.
Yes,
Namaste, ma'am.
I also checked
Namaste,
here.
ma'am.
I also checked here.
Namaste.
You have done very nicely.
the homework.
Fagun.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Ma'am, and mine? Do you have checked?
Yeah, you too. Most of you did very well.
And my homework.
Yes. Mega submitted in this morning, yeah?
Ma'am, ma'am, only second question है which is I forgot.
Okay.
Ma'am, but I know answer. Due to poverty, ma'am, that lack unemployment, that lack of means what?
Okay, try once again and submit. Okay, friends? Now, can we begin our class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, we will revise our yesterday's class, okay? Okay, let's revise our yesterday's class. Yesterday we talked about definition of social problems and evils, yeah? Similarly, we discussed about different examples and we were talking about the causes or the reasons of those problems, yeah? Okay, can anybody
Good morning, ma'am.
define, can anybody revise the definition of social problems and evils?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Okay,
Ma'am,
Anandita.
what is I returned?
Return, W-R-I-T-T-E-N.
No, return in assignment.
Return means when you do homework, then if you have done, I check, and return means returning the work.
Oh, on
Check,
that time there come marks. No, that's why.
Yes, check and I return, then you'll get. So, okay, Anandita, can you revise the definition of social problems and evils?
Okay, ma'am.
No.
Any problem and bad practice of the society is called social evil or that social
Problems.
evil
Ma'am,
or problems.
Problems.
ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Dilasa, you can.
ma'am, yeah, any bad problem of the society, yeah, that may affect the development is called social problem or evils.
Okay, yes. Any problems of the society or any bad practices of the society which affect the development of the society or the country negatively are known as social problems or evils. Yeah. Okay, I want to listen from Muna. Muna, can you give some examples of social problems and evils?
Okay, ma'am. Taking drugs, smoking, drinking alcohol,
Okay, yes, taking
child marriage.
child marriage. Okay, thank you, Muna. So these are some examples of social problems and evils. Yeah, taking drugs, okay, smoking, gambling, dowry system. There are many more social evils which are the bad practices of our society. Okay, thank you, Muna. Okay, Abusan. Abusan, yesterday we also discussed about some causes or the reasons of the social problems and evils. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say some causes?
Ma'am, the lack of properties and the lack of studies,
Lack of,
properties and studies.
okay, lack of education. Similarly, next one,
Ma'am, and properties.
poverty. Yeah, next one is poverty. Okay, similarly, other.
Ma'am, and unemployment. We did not get a. Ma'am, rapid population growing growth.
Rapid population growth.
Yes, ma'am.
etc.
Ma'am, I have.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Abusan.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Now, these are the revision of our yesterday's class. Okay, we talked about definition.
Someone is writing in the screen.
What happened, Anandita?
Someone is writing on the screen.
Please stop scratching on the screen, okay? Give attention.
Ma'am, you can turn off the option of annotate, no?
Yeah, sorry is doing. Okay, today we will discuss about the bad impacts of social problems and evils, okay? Okay, what do you think? Because of social problems or evils, what kind of condition, what kind of that condition will come? What are the effect? In which sector it affect? Do anybody have any idea? What are the bad
Ma'am,
impacts?
it makes people
Will not
economically
damage
poor.
only
Ma'am, it
as
makes people
only single people life, but it will damage destroy the whole society. By they will learn they will also learn that we will also play gambling, so we should not encourage it, we should discourage it.
Thank you, Prince. Okay, Dilasa was also trying to say something. Dilasa, what do you think? What are the different
Impacts,
kinds of bad
bad
impacts?
impacts, and bad impacts of social evils are it doesn't it destroys our peace and harmony, and it destroys cooperation between family members, yeah. And then it makes us economically poor, it destroys friends, relatives, and even the respect in the society. And even we are engaged in social evils, that's a bad thing.
Okay, absolutely, Dilasa. So, because of social evils or the problems, there are many disadvantages or there are many bad impacts which occur in our society. Yeah, it affects the development, personal development of yours. If you involve in any kind of social problem or evil, it it affect your personal development, okay, your studies or many more things. Similarly, it breaks or it destroy the peace and harmony of the society and country, and because of this there wouldn't be the development of the society and the country. So whatever we can from our side or from the governmental side, we must try to remove it. Yes, must try to minimize the social problems and evils. Okay, these are the bad impacts or the disadvantages. Then how can we solve? What kind of effort we can do for minimizing them or for removing?
Ma'am, may I say?
Ma'am,
Okay, Prince.
Ma'am, by playing or a role or drama against it, ma'am, by awareing people about the bad impacts of it, ma'am, and saying government to do many things to discourage it.
Okay, likewise, Dilas also. Dilas, do you want to also try? How
Ma'am,
can we solve? What are the
Ma'am, I
solutions?
also
ma'am,
want to
me,
try.
that's a really good question.
ma'am,
Okay, Dilasa, let's
Yes,
give
ma'am.
chance to Samip. Okay, Samip wants to
Okay.
try. Okay, Samip.
ma'am, by making slogan and pasting it, and by making slogan and pasting it in the walls, and by constructing programs against it, and telling to government that um, making a role to in the social evils, and this.
Okay, thank you so much, Samip.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I say?
Okay, Anandita. Anandita,
Anandita.
I would like to ask the question. Okay, what can you do? What can Anandita do from her side to remove or to decrease the social problems or evils? What can you do?
Now or ma'am, right now or by being bigger?
Okay, anytime, whenever you see that where the social problems or evil in the society, then at that time, what can you do?
Ma'am, ma'am, I will told to ban the factories of cigarettes and alcohols, drugs. No, cigarette and alcohols, because and I will give everyone warning. I will give. I will. I will tell them how it's affect to our health, how it will how it will effect to our family. Because of you, your family can also be in a danger, like passive smokers. You will get, your development will stop, but because of you everyone will hate you, everyone will hate you, no one will love you, you will be bad in everyone's that everyone's eyes.
Okay, thank you, Anandita. Yes, the points you said about solving the social problems and evils, they are also true. Okay, what can Abhinav do? Abhinav, what can you do for solving the social problems or the evil? What can you do from your side? Abhinav, did you understand the question?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't hear because there was.
Okay, I think Abhinav does not want to speak. So I want to give chance to Anis. Anis,
Yes, ma'am.
Anis, what kind of efforts you can do for minimizing the social problems or evil from your side?
Ma'am, I can ban the bad factories which produces alcohol and smoking,
Okay.
and I can start a rally not to take the harmful drugs.
Thank you, Anis. So these most of you said most of the answer or the solution you say they are correct here. So all of you try whenever you see that what people practicing social evils or problems in the society, try to do whatever you said today. Okay.
Excuse me, Kamala ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please put it to the previous slide?
Once again, what I did not understand.
Ma'am, can you please go to the previous slide? That one at bad impacts one.
Okay. Okay, sure, why not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any problem or confusion
No, ma'am, I
about
was
this?
just copying it. The last
It's
sentence
not
was
necessary to
just-
copy because it will be available in your Google Classroom as a material.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just try to understand only. You'll get this one.
Ma'am, may I tell you one word? There is in Google Classroom there are guardians. No, there should be guardians. There is guardian.
Oh, there is a spelling of guardians is incorrect, I think. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understand that's guardian. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Spelling mistake. Okay, Samir Shrestha. Samir.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I have brought some solutions or the measures of social problems or the evils. Can you read once?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Government should
Yes, government should educate to all the people.
all the people of the country. Government should try to
Reduce
reduce or remove poverty.
poverty.
Parents should be more in
Model in front of the children. Okay. Next.
from
Likewise, this one also, Samir. Samir, can you also read this one? Number 4 and 4, 5, 6. Samir,
we should
number 4.
Ma'am, can I
we
read?
should try to avoid bad friends or try to submit them.
Suggest them.
Government should try government should try to give information to all the people of the country. Government should try to control rapid pollution growth.
Thank you so much, Samir. Okay, let's have a discussion on some measures of social problems and evils. Okay, here is number 1. Okay, government should educate to all the people of the country. Okay, how does education help, giving education help to remove or minimize the social problems and evil? Do anybody have any idea? How can...
Can I try?
Okay, Swami is raising the hand. Okay, Swami.
Right.
Ma'am, will you please repeat the question again?
Okay, how does education help removing or minimizing the social problems and evils?
Ma'am, because they get education, and they know that by doing social problems, they will by them, so they will not do social problems,
Okay,
social evils.
absolutely, Samit. Yeah, if people are educated, okay, who wants to try? Tell your name.
Then they will know
Me too.
about the
I also
social
want to
problems
try.
and they will not engage in it.
Okay, Anandita.
I also want to try.
Okay, tell your name. If you want to try, tell your name, and then I'll give you chance. Okay, Anandita. And other, please mute yourself. Listen, your friend. Anandita wants to try.
Government should educate to all the people of the country, because if they will educate, they will know how the country will, how the social evil and bad evil and evils will, social problems and bad evils will affect to us. Drinking will harm to us, smoking will harm to us, so we should don't do this. They will know about their bad things, and they will know that we should don't do this, because that will harm to us. They will know about this.
Anandita, next one. Who wants to try? Name.
Me.
Who is me?
Ma'am, Dilasa.
Okay, Dilasa, let's give chance to other. Okay, Dilasa, I know you know everything. The solution of the, okay, Honor, who?
And Samir.
Sagun Khadka
Okay,
wants to
Samata.
try.
Samata, please, first of all, unmute yourself. Samata.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Samata, we want to listen from you. How does education help to remove the social problems and evils?
Okay, ma'am. When we all the people are educated and they know about the effect, and they know about effect, then they leave that.
When? Okay, thank you, Samata. If people, when people are educated, they know the bad impacts of the social problems and evils. Yeah. Okay, Rugosa. Rugosa also raising the hand. Okay, Rugosa, we want to also listen from you.
If government educate all the people of our country, then they will do social work. They know all the things about social problems, and they will not get engaged in.
Thank you, Rugosa, for your ideas. So when people are educated, yeah, they know.
I can also try.
Okay, I'll give you chance in point number 2. Okay. When people are educated, yeah, they know the bad impacts of the social problems or evils. Yeah, they know the disadvantages of them. And when they know, then do they involve? If you know the if you know the disadvantages of the social problems or evil, then do you involve in such kind of evil or problem? Obviously not. Yeah, if we know, then obviously when we are educated, we know the bad impacts or the disadvantages of them, then we do not involve ourselves. We also suggest the people who are our relatives or the friends. Yeah, we suggest if our friends or relatives or our any near and dear one are involving such kind of problems or evil, we try to suggest them. Yeah. So when we are educated, when people are educated, they know the disadvantages or the bad impacts of the social problem and evils. They do not involve themselves, and they also suggest the people who are near to them. So because of the education, social problems and evils are decreased or so government should try to educate all the people of the country. Similarly, let's have a discussion on the second point.
Ma'am. Ma'am, sometime the background is coming from some mic. It is coming like this.
From me?
Yes, in mine too. Again.
From here?
I think this is Moni's mic.
Yes.
Please do not disturb. Okay, mute yourself whenever I'm speaking or your friend is speaking. Okay, let's have a discussion on second point. Government should try to reduce or remove poverty. Okay, how does poverty help to remove or minimize the social problems and evils? Okay, I want to give chance to Cecil.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Cecil, do you know about poverty? Do you know what is poverty? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Okay, poverty means lack of money or wealth. Yeah, when people do not have money or when they don't have money or property or wealth, they involve different kinds of social problems and evils. Yeah, because they can't fulfill the needs and wishes of them. So if poverty is eradicated or removed or solved, then the social people do not involve in different kinds of illegal activities. Okay, Boy,
Ma'am, can I try? I am saying from.
can I means who?
Ma'am, I was just writing the.
What were you trying to say?
Please tell your name or raise your hand.
Sakun Khodka.
Okay, Sagun, now you can. How does poverty help to remove? How does that removing? How removing the poverty helps to decrease the social problems and evils? Sagun?
That remove the poverty helps to that reduce the social problems, because if that poverty, if people don't get the food, they start to do robbery, and it may cause social problems.
So it should be removed or minimized. Yeah, Sagun? When there is poverty, people do not have wealth or money to fulfill their needs and wishes of them. Then they involve different kinds of illegal activities like robbery, stealing, etc. Yeah. So if poverty is removed or solved, then people do not involve in such kind of activities, illegal activities. Then it will be helpful to remove or to minimize the social problems and evils. Okay, thank you so much for your ideas. Now, similarly, let's have a discussion on the second point. Okay, Boy Bob.
Ma'am, I think Boy is busy.
Busy in what?
I don't know.
Okay, Boy Bob, we are not listening your voice. There is problem in Boy Bob, I think. We are not listening the voice of him. Okay, Sandeep.
Ma'am, I think he's not speaking.
Yeah, ma'am.
He's pretending. You mean?
Ma'am, he's speaking, but his that media sound is off, I think.
What is
Yes, ma'am.
There is on mute when you are
Boy,
speaking.
go to the settings and turn on sound.
Okay, it's okay. Now let's give chance to Sandeep. Sandeep,
Ma'am, may I?
Sandeep, once read point number 3.
Parents should be model in front of the children.
Okay, have you understood this statement? How does it help to remove the social problems and evils?
Can you tell me what do you mean by model?
Model means they should follow the good behavior, yeah, or they should have the good habits in front of the children so that the children can follow them. Such good behaviors are the habits.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, understood? So Sandeep,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
can you describe point number 3? How does it help to remove or to minimize the social problems and evils? Okay, I think Sandeep does not want to try. Okay, Pratishta.
May I try?
Pratishta hasn't spoken today. Let's give chance to her. Okay, Pratishta.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratishta, do you want to try? How does it help?
Okay, ma'am. I think this sentence says that parents should be really good with children, and they should not scold them, because children will get hurt also, and they should not they should also be polite with the children, and as what they do we also do, so we always be polite with elders, and parents should not be angry with children.
Exactly, Pratishta. Yes,
Ma'am,
there is
can I
a
say
saying
something?
or there is a statement.
Ma'am, once can
Home
I
is
say
the
something?
first school of the children. Yeah. Have you listened that
Ma'am.
statement? Have you listened this statement?
Yes, ma'am, but in school, if we don't do homework, teacher will beat us. And so, if the children do bad work, we should scold them.
Yeah.
I
So,
think so.
as home is considered the first school of the children, yeah, whatever parents do, what kind of language the parents speak, yeah, what kinds of behavior they follow, children imitate from them, they learn from them, yeah, yes. And if parents follow, or if parents do the good behavior to their children or to other people, then the children of them also follow such kind of behavior or habits. Yeah, if parents don't have any kind of bad habits like smoking, drinking alcohol, etc., yeah, then children also never try to do or try to involve such kind of bad activities. So if parents have good behaviors, good habits, your children also follow such behaviors or the habits, then it will be helpful to remove or minimize the social problems and evils. Understood? Are you understanding or not? Okay, likewise, let's have a discussion on the fourth point. Fourth point. Okay, Prajit, can you once again read?
Ma'am, may I read 4 point?
Ansuman is saying, may I read fourth point?
No, ma'am, me.
Me means who? Please tell your name.
Sudeep.
Okay, Sudeep. After Prajit, okay? Prajit.
Okay.
Prajit.
To give yes, ma'am.
Please read loudly. We are not understanding properly. Whatever you are saying.
Government should try to.
Okay, there is problem in Prajit. Okay, Sudeep. Sudeep, you said you want to try.
Sandeep is calling you.
Ma'am, point number 4 or 5.
Oh.
Ma'am, someone was calling you, then Pradip. We should try to.
Yes, sir. Sandeep was calling you.
Okay, let's
We
give a
should
chance.
try to avoid bad friends or try
All
to
please mute
suggest
yourself.
them.
Mute yourself, all of you. Okay, point number 4, please, once again. Sudeep.
We should try to avoid bad friends or try to suggest them.
Okay, how does it help to remove or to minimize the social problems and evils then? Any ideas? Do you have any idea? How does that avoiding bad friends help to remove the social problems and evils?
By suggest them. By suggesting them.
Okay, thank you, Sudeep. Next one, who wants to try? How
Me.
Raise your hand. If you want to try, please raise your hand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Rugosa. Rugosa.
Ma'am, we should try to avoid bad friends, or we should suggest them not to be bad. We should suggest them be in social work, don't cause social problem. If they drink, then we should suggest them don't drink alcohol. It is bad for
is
you.
writing what?
It's bad for
Yes,
you.
ma'am. He's
And for your parents as well, because your parents have grown you up, and you shouldn't do like that.
Okay, very nice idea.
We
Rugosa,
should
yes.
avoid
If we
bad
try to
friends
suggest
circle.
saying like that, then they will be they will be convinced, and they will not involve such kind of problems or evils. Yeah. First of all, we should try to avoid the bad friends, the friends who have bad behaviors, yeah, or the bad habits. We should not make friends, such kind of friend. And if we have such kind of friend, we should also try to suggest them for not involved or by saying the bad for bad impacts or the disadvantages of them, which will be helpful for removing or minimizing the social problems and evils.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think his media sound is off.
Okay, point number 4. We should not try to bad friends. Bad friends is, those friends who have bad habits, yeah, who smoke, who drink, such kind of friends, yeah. We should try
Yes,
to
ma'am.
avoid. Yes, you are growing up, you are in the age of teenage. Yeah, you may have if you have such kind of friend, or if you see such kinds of people or the friends, you should not try to make friend, or you should not have friendly relationship with them. Yeah, we should try to be far from them. Or you should also try to suggest them for by saying that impacts or the disadvantages of the social evils and practices, so that they will not involve in such kind of activities. I'm saying that.
Ma'am,
Understood?
yeah, that ma'am, that friends that small eat like that, and we addict of that.
Please do not involve. Be attentive, so that otherwise you won't understand. Okay, likewise, let's have a discussion on point number 5. Dilasa, now your turn.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which one? Fifth one?
Yeah, point number 5.
Ma'am, okay, the point fifth has written that government should try to give employment to all the people of the country. This means that if people are employment, if they have job to fulfill their needs, to fulfill their family needs, so that they don't need to be addicted in social evils or social programs, and they don't need to do bad evils, bad works. If they have a way to earn money, and so government need to give employment to all the people in the country, so that there won't be any social problem existing.
Absolutely correct, Dilasa. Yeah, when government gives jobs to all the people, then they have money or wealth for fulfilling their wishes or desires. Yeah, and they do not involve in different kinds of illegal activities, or they don't do bad practices, and they can also educate their children, which will be helpful for removing or decreasing the social problems and evils. Okay, now Urza, it's your turn. Point number 6.
Government should try to control rapid population growth.
Okay, Urza, do you have any idea how does controlling rapid population growth help to minimize the social problems and evils?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, thank you. It's
Ma'am,
okay.
may I try?
Woo, Dilasa.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, I want to give chance to Mohit. Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how does controlling rapid population growth help to minimize social problems? Do you have any idea how does it help? No? Okay, who wants to?
No.
Who wants to try?
Ma'am,
Who is saying me? Please tell your name.
Sagun Khadka.
Okay, Sagun Khadka. Yes, you can.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, fifth or sixth? Fifth number or sixth number?
6. Last number.
Government to try to
Okay, how does controlling rapid population growth help to minimize social problems and evils?
Then Sagun's background is.
Yes, ma'am. His
Prakriti
background
now.
is
Then. Prakriti, we didn't understand whatever Sagun said properly. Okay, Prakriti, please say something. How does it help? If you have any idea about it. No? Prakriti, you do not want to try?
Ma'am, may I try?
Okay, you can.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am, if there are lots of population, then there won't be much jobs left. So, most of the people will live unemployment. So so for earning money, they will choose a bad way and then get involved in social evil, social programs. So, government should try to control rapid population, so every of us can get employment and can't be involved in social evils and problems.
Exactly. Yeah.